Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Nice Chevy Scottsdale K20 here, coming out of Oregon. If I remember right, one family or two family owned. Had a repaint at one time. Nice job, just a quality driver job, I call it. Chrome's all good, grill's good. They got some aftermarket wheels on there. So you can see a little, I mean, it's got a good shine. We got a little debris in the paint, but for a good driver quality truck. Nice thing about these trucks out of the Northwest, look at that, inside of them doors and everything, just clean as a whistle. Yeah, 2-owner, all original sheet metal and drivetrain, 350 with a 400. Seats original, just a little bit of wear right here. 72,607. Don't have any idea on the mileage though. Dash is cracked. Dome light there, you can see works. Even got some gun racks for you with the old school topper. That door shuts nice for a square body. So said not a lot of flaws to show you in the paint. You can see my reflection, so it has some shine, but like there's your, and that's water right there. But there's a few little flaws in it. Got a heavy duty hitch on the back. See, it was sold out of Earl Hartman Company out of Silverton, Oregon. Like I said, there you can see a nice shine on the paint there. Don't actually know what that is. Must be a stabilizer bar if you're gonna unload or something. Like I said, the door shut great. So very nice truck. You don't find a lot of them with some history like this and in this kind of condition. So if you're looking for a nice square body 3/4 ton, runs and drives great, see my video of running and driving, give me a call, 605-695-7391.